Hi guys, so my client came to me. She says, Cynthia, I have an old frontal that I would like to use for a frontal ponytail. She says she don't know if the frontal is going to come out nice, but she wants to carry the hair for just a day. So she brought the frontal to me, and when I saw the frontal, I was like, we can do something with it now. So we started working on her hair. I tried to make sure the frontal comes out nice. She told me she was going to carry the hair for a day. Oh. Guys, guess what? After installing this frontal, I asked her again, how long do you want to carry it? She said maybe for a week. I don't know, it's gonna come out this nice. Wait on it and see the outcome and tell me what you think. Did I try? This was an old frontal. She told me she didn't want customized lace and whatever. Okay guys, see now, see what I did with that old frontal. It looks so natural. She was so excited.